Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, back in March and April of this year, I'll let you know that Microsoft was beginning to roll out an update to Notepad that introduces Spellcheck and Autocorrect in the stable version of Windows 11. And that video will be linked down below and in the end screen. Now, when I did post a couple of months ago, it was kind of on a controlled rollout. So Microsoft wasn't pushing it out globally. It was kind of region specific. And now apparently, according to Tom's Hardware, the spell checking and autocorrect features are beginning to roll out now to all users of the Notepad app on Windows 11. Now, Microsoft hasn't officially announced this in true Microsoft fashion. But nonetheless, just a quick recap. You can see the spell checking obviously shows a red colored line underneath the misspelled word, which it detects as possibly being incorrect. And then obviously you can also show an autocorrect option for those misspelled words. So if you right click on that misspelled word, you hit the spelling, and there we go, spell check or spell checking. There we go, and obviously you correct it, very similar to what you get in most word processing apps. Now, this feature is enabled by default. So if you don't want to see little red lines underneath your words, or you want to just fiddle with some settings, then you just head to your settings in the top right. Here we get spell check. Here are the document formats and the document extensions that are supported. You can turn the feature off completely, or you can choose to enable or disable some of these document formats and extensions. And then obviously here's autocorrect as well, which you can turn on and off. So I know I have posted on that previously, but just bringing that to attention in case you were in a region that does not have the spell checking tool on your system, and maybe you are using Notepad, and just wanted to bring that to your attention in case you're unaware. And that's the new spell checking and autocorrect now, which according to Tom's Hardware is now rolling out to all users of the app on Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.